Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. I'm David. Today I want to talk to you about this stain remover. It's called the Stain Treater. I use this all the time with my laundry. I'm bad about spilling stuff on my shirt. Today I spilt spaghetti on this shirt right here. Got a couple drops on there. I finished eating. Took it off, took it into the laundry room, sprayed on the stain treater and rubbed it together really good with my hands, and then placed it in the washing machine and just washed it along with my other white clothes. Coming out, this is where it's at now. No stain on white. Looks great. I'm a real big fan of this stain treater. It works great, especially with kids. You can never go wrong. Or older kids like most men. If you want to get some of your own, there's a link down in the description to get it off Amazon. Thanks for watching.